nya catch o se mu di bronya ye beji ya home na enso so ye hu se kakafo no ahyase kasa ye beba enne onim se nye usual time wo se ye babat ye hu se kakafo no kasa se ya ma me kasa ade bechi na bi mu age adru na mene intisa afi amanfo afa adru na omo be mene na wo se ye so omo nsem ye so nkofo nsa enye sa omo befa adru no amene na enne Kwame Ade Stephen Kwame Ade obeji biashe no. You see, sometimes me say enye obi pen say obi beba betra no aka chi obi say obi nim nyansa obi agimi na enso ne tiri hu nyina ye fitaa wo enye ye motive no but utimi hu say enkofo bi wo man Ghana nim no omo agenda nyina ne say emrante ne maba wan omo bema ye ho akyere esan se ye ho kyere ye na eno no omo benya kwan abetena TV so edi omo nkwase adwen no abase omo nko an ne nyansa akokora odimika akotena TV3 studios ekoye janda because when who say Charlotte friends say Jenensa any get to tokunu I was say omukotena fie ba ye kama manfo atiase say whether mo ye jandamo mo nye jandamo sankofo minu ne ye bepam wo mafigana ho say uti krom ho na Supreme Court judge ana say Chief Justice etimi tena Ghana o ka kire wo say ye wo Ghana enunu nyi proof so ye Ghana ni o maame no papa ye wo mo Ghana ho e na o maame no papa nso so wo a wo so wo Ghana ho Supreme Court e wo Ghana di oda no ye fe no get to tokunu e ka kire meme ne wo say wo aya wo ho na wo maame no papa nso ye wo mo ho na wo nananka nso mo nyina ye wo mo ho no e kire say onye Ghana ni eno Ade wa metna radio so ankasa wo but oti say Professor Kwaku Aza ono ye law o ye law professor wo ye ni mo professor na wo ye no kura ye ni ade potia wa ye no Ghana ho a wo ye professor obi a wo kosua say theology se dey eno de ni nam ho sa tetefo no a omkos ti say kofuo mo kos ekosua typewriting omko secretariat school onya kwan de ba London and obey apprenticeship with a law firm no or returning to Ghana was why a lawyer sam kwasasem ya na yete nku ewukuro ni mo nti ne yekoda sori ya afedie Stephen Ade emu na ebe kire ekwan a John Mahama emfa mebu ni man akwa we ne ka kire yen say 25 years 40-year development plan John Mahama and Professor Mills mo shase no Ade we catch ye say we don't need 40-year development plan na e wo say ye 10-year development plan busan say odi na Kufuado ni baaye no sa 10-year development plan we e wi e kire na wo hu say Kufuado edi 8 years aka 2 years na 10 years na so no na o sa ba be criticize 10-year development plan. Kwasi ampani we yo. Ejimifo we mo. O ka obisi adana hwe omode yatena TV so ache. Omode yatena radio so ache. Omode yetiri nwa ye white ena omudi di nkwasase mo okuro ni mo. Osim yem pamo Charlotte say minia de ewu betie no ni video ene ya no ye I think say ene ya no ye sa okotena omkotena oho keka nkwasiasem ene ya de omu ye no ya to abari a Mahama eda baby Mahama kwa oyare o oni ne running mate no ma me no say ye to aba no wie no on say why active. And she said, like Tama, Omukosia, Equana, omoma some victory speech kakra bi nimpo no on say no share nose mask ankwasiafo bi boys bi titi UK omunnim de omo life ye etiti internet so say ma me ne nte brofo because all kasa no nose mask na ehye na no nti no omo tewo omo yare because enye dwuma ketwa wo abrant ye kra no ye catch you say tinaka mu eko na vrongo ba ko mienu pe na onase atatai during the campaign no Mahama ne running mate no omotika mu etini Ghana kro no nyina so emfuturo eko wo mu amanfo omo yare a omo de nam omo mu anya de nyina no papa yi ete wo nyina no ne ho nto no ntu se Mahama e kasa kra ai se o kasa wo ditim onyan se aduma ase no aho pressure ankwasiafo de ma no afeni ye betre na wo ba na wo be yi Charlotte say Jemen free ho a be disastrous we Chief Justice free ho a be disastrous afeni ye Charlotte say cross comfort say oh hu ni di because wo na a petition Akufo-Addo say yenyi Charlotte say enfem free ho say procurement breaches when procurement breaches are Jemen Saba e wababe sa facial verification machine away a ji Ghana sika se okoto no okoto aba no bi di machine bi hwe wanim ink na ye de to aba awurade Yesu sankofo omu hiase ye bom tirimtu omu tikro no pese omu pese omu che say omu ne institutions inti di omu no be kan enyi nti last silence media wa kwan no ho twen wo yesikwan no ho yesikwan no ho ye na ye papa no mo obra no ye na ye busuafo mo obra no ye nsusu ne be kasa boys ni betie because boys ni nim say ye ka reality ni kire wo mo so ti ase boys ni nsusu nim say ye ka reality no the truth and ye catch on the fact enti omo betie ya asemo a boys no any mamefo ni papafo omo tie ye no omo betie ya asem no a se bi omo adwen o enye se nkoto aka che se konikoku ye no ba no asoro no akoku no se matese nkran gravity last silence media omo simi sorry a mame mo me yira comment no me simi sorry there bi omo wa adwen mo amutie ye no mo wa adwen papa empo esen ye enti mutie ya asem no a mo ko na mo dia koto nsani ani mo we nsem no a ye kasa die nkura ya asem ya omo kan eye no kura na asa nye no kure enti mo ye program no a senye major issue bi na aba na mo cover the life say boys no mo waste your time and make TV video. They are either on TikTok, Facebook or YouTube. And so when Miracles Abuajemo ka say mini elections what Twitter and Facebook no na who said they are not abreast of time. The guys are really not abreast of time. Inti omo no omo adwe analog to say Kwame Ade, Professor Ade. Inti omo no they don't know enframa na ebo no still an omo ye Jimmy for na enframa ne sefa won. Akufo-Addo yes ye te ho ye di ahome but ye be protecting the feeble minds no omo ntumi nti asemase yi no ye be boania protect o ma dwen enye sa nkofo bi di o ma dwen bi di akro okasa I am pamu Jemen Sani easy for no okasa plenty na dia na yem yan say journalist say enkwasiafo we mu betena mo animu a aya mo ba be buso mo questions na mo buso mo no search be information be na mo peto ho entinka o kan ye na no na nko approve say Charlotte say ni any de pamon na we sure say na omo good grounds pa na omo de pamon no and one say waka say Charlotte say ye relieving of her duties because of corruption and one and yan filing with some corruption charges. Na obusan recollation na ekoso no hwe ekwan a akwa ne fa so a where you question na di.
When we look at the recollation and redeclaration efforts ongoing now, seats that the NDC believed they had won have now been declared in favor of the NPP. And like you rightly noted, it would appear that we are headed for a long drawn out,
it will not end with
legal battles
yes.
on those constituencies. But at the same time, we'll need some tact in managing those legal issues, in managing the atmosphere around those issues as well. What would you advise?
I think that our politicians, as much as they would like to make a political noise, should use the legal process that will cool tempers. It's unfortunate. I was hoping that some will go this way and some will go the other way, so that balancing.
Yeah.
It didn't happen that way. So it makes it a bit, to the ordinary person, as if, it
something is that
Atuforcing is working free, should use the legal process that will cool tempers. It's unfortunate. I was hoping that some will go this way and some will go the other way, so that balancing.
Yeah.
It didn't happen that way. So it makes it a bit, to the ordinary person, as if, it
something is happening.
Yes.
Okay.
So, but I believe that where it is now, there shouldn't be President Mahama making a statement and then, Akufo-Addo replying. They have been doing it in past, he goes to this meeting and then they throw this one here. I think for the sake of our democracy, they must be a bit circumspect and then allow the legal processes. And I do not believe that justice will not be served. Atuforcing is working free. Was it not the same Supreme Court?
It was.
Our processes, this man at Asin North, what is his name?
Jachi Kwesi.
Yes. When they allowed the legal process to go through, if they had allowed it quicker and not appeal and other things, he would have been in parliament for more time. Why? Because his people showed them the NPP the red card. So he had to stay out for all this long because they were appealing, going to court and other things. Whilst it had been declared vacant right from the beginning, I'm sure he would have won straight away. Because in his case, it wasn't because the people didn't like him. It was a legal process which is technicalities. You don't qualify. When you declared it, he applied it, he went through. So we must find a much more, this country is unduly being polarized all by our political parties. We have a lot, hundreds, literally, of chieftaincy cases, but most of them are local. The national issues are all political. And I think that the two parties, for the sake of Ghana, our cohesion and the social capital, can do better.
I see, Prof. When we look into the future, are there new...
You busan recollation and redeclaration Atuforcing chieftaincy, social capital. Strong. Ya also or display ni Jimmy ya say I'm near 50-50 to say the see 2020 no na ekodi one side or no adi atum say na ya you busa recollation ho asem na journalist no so tin anim no nipa na wo busa no question no or dodgy question no because o making a statement yibehu si wajimi yibehu se ne party eniye edin kwase asenti no udwane ye no wuti nanim atwi makeup ete ho wafun se bo fruit when to me amusa any intelligent question bia amana ansa ama midina sa question so. And these are the people we call journalists omugu Ghana ho. We know these people what be so big question about recollation and who or the fan who offer the question akoka ba bi se Ghana ho ensem ni bebre no eyeto awrade Yesu. We na e mo journalist o we mo e no mu gina mo anem busa questions mamo